guys, this is Gaming Legend, and today I am going to be doing not so much gaming, but a Pokemon review. I'm going to show you my best Pokemon cards. So yeah, let's start beginning. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and like every single video, I did a Pokemon opening. You should go check that out, and you should subscribe to Chad Wildclay. His videos are amazing. Okay, now we're gonna go with number 1. It is this Como GX that I pulled. These are all in cases. It's not an ultra, it's not a secret rare. It's still very, very rare. Second, this Gumshoos. Okay guys, I'm gonna start showing these faster because this is gonna take a long time. Doros. Pause the video if you want to have a better look at any of these. Mega Blastoise, Mega Alakazam, Okay guys, those are all the cards that are my good ones.